Good afternoon, students. Today we'll talk about exponential differentiation for class 12th mathematics. Today I am talking about that is exponential. Today I am talking about exponential differentiation. Differentiation. That is e raised to power x. Let us try some numericals based on this exponential differentiation so that it will be clear to us what is exponential differentiation. First question we have, this is basically I am taking numericals from exercise 5.4 from NCERT. So now let's begin with first question I have, e raised to power x upon sin x. So how to differentiate it? Let us see. Let y is equal to e raised to power x upon sin x. Then we can apply here u upon v differentiation, that is v sin x into differentiation of ex minus ex differentiation of sin x will be cos x upon I have sin square x. If I take ex common here, I got sin x minus cos x upon sin square x. So that is how we try to differentiate the function which contain exponents. Let us try to solve next numerical we have. Now the next numerical we have, that is e raised to power sin inverse x. Let us try how to do it. Let y is equal to e raised to power sin inverse x. Now dy upon dx will be e raised to power sin inverse x into differentiation of sin inverse x will be under root 1 upon 1 minus x square. Let's try for third exponential function we have, that is e raised to power x cube. What we will do? Let y is equal to e raised to power x cube. So dy upon dx will be e raised to power x cube into differentiation of x cube, that is 3x square. Okay, so that is how we try to differentiate. Okay, now we have fourth question. Let's discuss about, we have sin tan inverse e raised to power minus x. We have sin tan inverse e raised to power minus x. So how will do? Let y is equal to sin now you can say dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of sin x will be cos x, and we have x is tan inverse e raised to power minus x. Now differentiate this. Tan inverse x will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, we have this x, so we have this, we can say 1 upon x square into differentiation of e raised to power. So we have this, that is we can say differentiation of e raised to power minus x will be e raised to power minus x into differentiation of minus x will be minus 1. So we have this, so we can write minus cos tan inverse e raised to power minus x into e raised to power minus x upon 1 plus e raised to power minus x whole square. Okay, so we have these, we have just solved 4. Now let us try to solve the fifth one now. Now the fifth numerical is log cos e raised to power x. We have log cos e raised to power x. Okay, so let us take it y as log cos e raised power x. So we got dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x. So we have cos e raised power x into differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. And differentiation of ex will be ex. So we can say minus tan e raised power x into e raised power x. So that is how we differentiate the exponential functions. Now, okay, let us try to solve this. Now, let us try to solve sixth exponential question we have in this. We have just solved only 5. Now, we will try to solve sixth one. So, what the sixth question says? Let us see. Okay, we have the question here, that is sixth question, that is e raised power x plus e raised power x square plus till we go to e raised power x over 5. Okay, now let's try to write this in a full form, that is e raised power x plus e raised power x square plus e raised power x cube plus e raised power x4 plus e raised power x5. Okay, we have, now we can differentiate it like y is equal to this. So dy upon dx will be e raised power x plus differentiation of this will be e raised power x square into 2x plus e raised power x cube into 3x square plus e raised power x4 into 4x cube plus e raised power x power 5 into 5x4. Okay, so that is how we try to differentiate it. So we can write like this: e raised power x plus 2x e raised power x square plus 3x square e raised power x cube plus 4x cube e raised power x4 plus 5x4 e raised power x5. Okay, so that is what we have to differentiate like this. Okay, the exponential functions. Now let us see what the seventh question says. Seventh question is e raised power root x, e raised power root x into whole root x where x is greater than 0. Okay, so this is the exponential function we have. So let us try to differentiate it. Let y is equal to e raised power root x. So if I differentiate, I got dy by dx is equal to half e raised power root x into minus half into differentiation of this will be e raised power root x into differentiation of root x. It will be half x upon minus half. So I will got here 1 upon 4 x in the root we have e raised power root x into e raised power root x. Okay, so that is how we try to differentiate the exponential function. Let's move to the 8th question we have. So what we have the 8th question? 8th question we have log of log x. Okay, they have given log of log x. Okay, where x is greater than 1. Okay, so we have, let's take it to y as a function. Now we'll try to differentiate it. So I got dy upon dx is equal to log of log x will be 1 upon x, 1 upon log x into differentiation of log x will be 1 upon x. So we'll have 1 upon x log x. Okay, next question we have 9th question, that is cos x upon log x. Cos x upon log x where x is greater than 0 they have given. So how will try to differentiate this function? Let y is equal to cos x upon log x. So we have dy upon dx is equal to log x. We'll try here u by v differentiation. So we'll have log x into cos x differentiation minus sin x minus cos x log x differentiation 1 upon x log x whole square. Okay, so now my next step will be minus log x sin x minus cos x upon log x whole square. So what we can do here, we'll take minus sign common, so we'll have log x sin x plus cos x upon we have x log x whole square. Okay, so that is how we try to differentiate the exponential function. Let's try one more numerical. We have cos log x, we have cos of log x plus e raised power x, where we can say x is greater than 0. So let us take it y is equal to cos of log x plus e raised power x. Now let's differentiate it. We got dy by dx. Differentiation of cos x will be sin x minus sin x. So minus sin log x plus e raised power x, because x we have this. Now differentiate it. We got 1 upon x into 1 upon x plus e raised power x. So we have this. That is how we try to differentiate the exponential differentiation. Okay, so